Hi everyone, it's me, the LH way. Um, and as you can see that yesterday my camera got cut out. It's May the 12th, 2020, and I am still mulching the rose garden. And as you can see, the bird is tormenting my cat again. My cat is there laying on the grass, and there is the bird on the rose bush making a bag of noise and tormenting my cat again. So I haven't finished the mulching as yet. There you go. You see what happens, and I think that's what the other bird did, and that's why it got caught. So this is like several times a day, every day. And yeah, that's what the bird does. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. Yep. There's my cat right here. And there's the bird right there. She's at my foot right now. And here's my cat right here. Oh my god, are you kidding me? This is just something to watch, guys. You know, this is just something to watch. This bird. And this bird will do this until like literally just about before it get dark. I'm surprised. I thought birds couldn't see at night, but I guess this one surely can. So I'll go and finish up the mulching. I have one more bag I need to complete, and yeah, the bird is right there, and my cat is right by my foot. She's following me. She wants to play. Yeah. So guys, so I just have this little area here to complete. And I have one more bag of red mulch to put down. I gotta do some work before it gets dark. I gotta finish up before it gets dark. Let's see. I'm weeding up these little growth here. I'm just plucking them out, guys. Girl. Good girl. Good girl. No, don't bite. As you can see, some area already have older mulch. Some just basically throwing like a handful on top of it just to blend out the color. Alright guys, I'm all done. And this is the bed, the rose bed here. So nice and completed. And this rose here, guys, is like my $6 rose from the Caribbean nursery. It's opened. Look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? Come on, there you go. It's a beautiful rose right there. And I'm getting a lot of new growth on my knockout roses also. And I went ahead and cleared extra area of the half a circle that I created here for my rose garden. So yeah, yesterday I was trying to take up some more of this weeds that I have surrounding here. So yeah, I'm finished and it looks way better, guys. Looking pretty. And I still need to pot this other rose tree. And it went ahead and gave me a little pink rose here. Let me see if it has any scent. Yeah, wow, it has a pretty perfumey smell. Oh my gosh, it smells really good. And remember I told you these were bicolored or double colored. So I had the pink and the burgundy. So I need to go ahead and pop this little fella here, but I think I'm gonna do that in another video, and then I will surely keep you posted on this, and I will also do a repotting on this to show you what I'm doing and what it will turn out to be. So here guys, that's the rose bed from this area. I'm in the driveway right now. So guys, this is Lauren from the LH Way. Thank you for watching, and if you like, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll definitely keep the content coming. And bear with me guys, I'm gonna have to learn how to edit, so I'm trying to watch some videos on editing, and I need to probably download or purchase editing software or whatever it is. I'm just gonna have to figure out what will work for me. So thank you.